Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you something very interesting, and that's how to enable the dark theme on Google Slides. And trust me, it's very easy, there's nothing complicated. Just make sure you watch this video all the way to the end and follow the steps. So here is how. Just open Google Slides on your Android device and click on these three lines here on the left top corner and go in settings. And as you can see, at the first section theme, we have this option, choose a theme. Just click on it, and now we have three options: to make it dark, to make it light, or system default. Just enable the dark, and here we go. Now we have a dark theme on our Google Slides. But we can also change the dark theme by enabling the dark mode on your phone, just like this. And yeah, that's it. If you're finding this video helpful, you can give it a like, and also don't be hesitate or shame to leave your problems, to leave your questions down below the video, and I will try to respond in a few days if I can. See you next video. Bye.